Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're here today in SM Aura Premiere. We're going to Ramenagi to try their limited edition, the Wagyu ramen. Sabi nila it's limited to 150 bowls per day. This is only available today and tomorrow. It's made from A4 Wagyu, Japanese Wagyu beef. Sana abutan pa natin. Grabe traffic from QC. Anyway, punta muna ako. We'll be back in a bit. So we're here in Ramenagi Aura. We'll be seated muna. Let's go, dito na lang. So we have here brief history of Ramenagi in the Philippines. So yeah, started in SM Aura. That's this branch. So ito yung pandemic. This is one of my favorite. Shout out to Chef Yuta Shinohara and Cicada, the cricket ramen. So yan, yun natin. While waiting for our Wagyu ramen. Natin paano i-prepare.
Nakikita mo naman, di ba? Nakikita mo naman, di kailangan magsalita pa, nakikita mo na yan.
A4 no sir? A4 Wagyu. A4.
Nakikita mo naman, di ba? Nakikita mo naman, di kailangan magsalita pa, nakikita mo na yan.
So, ito na siya. Lagay ko yung Naruto for picture. Nag-order din ako ng extra tamaki. So, kain muna ako guys. So, yun na yung broth. Mix natin. And see the try natin yung broth. Sarap. Malalasa mo yung beef. Talagang iba yung lasa. Talagang parang yung sebo mantika sa lips. So yun. Dapat kainin ko to na mabilis kasi magmamantika. I mean magsisebo siya yung matutuyo. So yun. Try natin yung Wagyu. Grabe. Melts in your mouth. Kahit yung noodles, masarap siya dahil yung broth niya. Nasa mo yung beef. Sarap. Sulit. Worth the almost 2-hour drive from Quezon City. So, paubos na siya. Grabe, sobrang sarap. Medyo pricey. 2010. Eh, wala. A4 Wagyu yan. So, ganun talaga. Pero if you're gonna ask me kung worth it siya, well, if you have the money, diba? It's always worth it. Hindi naman tayo dapat nagtitipid sa pagkain. That's my belief na. So, panalo. Panalo. Thank you, Ramenagi. So, I'll just finish my bowl and that's about it. So, Sobrang sarap. Ay, thank you Ramenagi. Grabe. Bigat sa tiyan. Sobrang sulit. Anyway, that's about it for our vlog. Try nyo na hanggang bukas na lang. So, yun. Thank you for watching guys. Keep safe and have fun.